In today's video, I'll teach you how to log out from MailTime. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open MailTime application. You can see over here I've opened the MailTime application. Right now I'm logged into my account. So in MailTime, you'll not be able to find the option for logging out of your account. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is actually clear the storage of the MailTime application. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library of your device, find the application for MailTime and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on this option storage and cache. Once you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear storage. Now once you do that, you can see over here, apps data will be deleted. Tap on this option, OK. Now once you do that, if you open the MailTime application again, you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out from MailTime. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.